Hello, you guys. Let's look at 8.2, measures involving products and quotients. Now, the vocabulary word is really, really important. Please underline it, put stars by it. A unit rate. Whenever they say they want a unit rate, they want you to make a fraction that has labels. Okay, the labels must be there for credit. And you need to make the denominator become 1 of whatever item it is. All right, so you have to divide by whatever number you see in the denominator so that it becomes a 1. Okay, so let's look at example 1. It says Marty, a thoroughbred horse, can run 72 meters in 4 seconds. Coco, another thoroughbred horse, can run 51 meters in 3 seconds. Which horse runs faster? Do you just come here as soon as I start talking? Okay, Kitty is going to help us with the horse question. All right, so we write a rate of speed for each horse. So Marty, write it as 72 meters over 4 seconds. And Coco is up here. We write 51 meters over 3 seconds. Now we want to express each speed as a unit rate. When you see unit rate, we have to make the denominator become 1. So take a look at Marty. Okay, Marty is 72 meters over 4 seconds. So write 72 over 4. And now we need to make the denominator become 1. So we're going to divide both the top and the bottom by 4. Well, 72 divided by 4 gives us 18 meters, and 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 second. So we know that Marty's speed is 18 meters per second. Now Coco, we put 51 meters over 3 seconds. And again, we want to make the denominator become 1. So we're going to divide both the top and the bottom by 3. So we get 17 meters over 1 second. So we know that Marty can run 18 meters per second, and Coco can run 17 meters per second. Well, that would make Marty faster than Coco. Okay, and so go ahead and let's pause here. Kitty is trying to help me here. All right, you guys, so let's take a look at the guided practice. And you might hear Kitty purring because she really, really likes unit rates, apparently. Okay, take a look at number 1. 48 miles over 2 hours. If we have to write it as a unit rate, look at the denominator, the 2 hours. And that means you're going to divide both the denominator and the numerator by 2. And that's going to give us 24 miles over 1 hour. Now you could write it like a fraction like that, or you can say that would make it 24 miles per hour. And you've seen miles per hour if you've been driving with your parents or your family, and you look at the speed limit sign, they'll just put MPH, and that means miles per hour. Okay, take a look at number 2. Let's say we had $18 over 3 pounds. Well, if we want to make it a unit rate, we would divide both the top and the bottom by 3, and that would give us $6 over 1 pound, or another way to say it is $6 per pound. All right, and then you can tell, if you can hear her purring, she just loves unit rates. You're just a math kitty, aren't you? Okay, take a look at number 3. It would be 195 points over 5 games. Well, look at the denominator, the 5, and that's the one we want to divide by. So divide both the denominator and the numerator by 5, and that would give us 39 points over 1 game, or another way to say it is 39 points per game. All right, so look at example 3 with me. Let's say it would take 150 person hours. That's a weird label, but 150 person hours to create a flower and rock garden at the city park. How many hours will it take for a 6-person team to complete that garden? Well, the solution is right here. We're going to let H represent the number of hours it will take a 6-person team to complete the garden. So we want to write and solve an equation. So 6 people times how many hours will it take to do 150 person hours? Well, I would circle the variable, bring down the wall, and the only way to get rid of multiplying by 6 is to divide both sides by 6. So I would get H equals 25. So that helps me figure out that it will take 25 hours for a 6-person team to complete that garden. Okay, so go ahead and lightly cross out this page, the example 4 page. And I also want you to cross out lesson 8.3 and 8.4. We are not going to cover it. But what I'd like to do to make sure people are listening to the movie is tell me what my kitty really likes in this lesson. What did she really like that made her purr a lot?